but what is this? Gross? Hello? What's up, you guys? It's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying to recreate a paint drink. I just went right into that, you know? So there's this video that popped up in my recommended when I was, just exploring on YouTube. The video may have popped up in some of your guys' recommended, but I'm looking at the one that is how to make Starbucks paint drink and more at home by a Starbucks barista. So this is a tutorial by a barista herself. And this was uploaded by Abby Lucia. Hopefully I'm saying her name right, but today I'm going to be following Abby's tutorial for how to make a paint drink at home. So, if you want to see how I made this paint drink right here, keep watching. Okay. Okay guys, so for this video, I don't have any of the ingredients yet, so I'm literally about to walk to the store. It's 20 minutes of walking away, so... Okay, if you're wondering why I didn't just get a car ride to the store and why I did 20 minutes of walking, it's because no one else was there to take me and I'm just tired of relying on other people to go places, so I just went and did it on my own. There you go. I'm gonna walk there and get the ingredients. I looked them up. Hopefully they'll have them in the store because they had them online. I've never actually walked to this store over here, so I literally have maps. It's a really easy route, but I just don't want to risk getting lost to a place I've never gone before. So I literally have Google Maps for me, but I should be fine. So yeah, I'm going to King Soopers. What I need to get from there is freeze-dried strawberries, this tea powder stuff, and then what else? Coconut milk. So yeah, let's go do that. Hey guys, I know the lighting's kind of weird, so sorry about that. But I'm just walking right now and thinking literally what the f am I doing? Is there a car coming? I don't want them to see me. This is really socially a lot for me, Okay, they are good. Oh my god, I really hope they didn't see me recording. This is so awkward. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're far enough. Anyways, this is so weird. What am I even doing? I'm not sorry about it, but I'm 2/3 of the way there. I only have a few more blocks to go, so, well, 5 more. That's not that many though. Yeah, I'll probably see you guys when I get there unless something else happens. Okay guys, I'm vlogging on my phone now because taking out an actual camera and just socially that's too much for me, so well, here's the milk section. I'm gonna get the milk, I guess. I should probably get a basket. What am I doing? Oh god, I need to be more independent. You know what? I'm an independent woman. It's gonna happen, okay? I'm learning. Okay, whoa, why is this really zoomed in? Okay. Hey guys, I'm far enough from the store to where I feel socially I can vlog again. Oh my god, there's a car coming again. Jesus Christ. Please make a turn. Yes, make a turn. Okay, dang it, there's another car coming. I'm just gonna awkwardly talk down here. It is hot as shit out here. I know this is normal weather for people probably in other places like California or Australia or something. At least it wouldn't be too bad for them. I'm literally sweating. It's 94 degrees. I have about another 6-minute walk to my house according to Google Maps. So yeah, we're doing good. While I was walking along a busy street on the way to King Soopers, obviously there's a lot of people passing by. So this one guy, he kind of smiled at me, he definitely smiled at me, I'm pretty sure. So that was kind of weird, but I was like, whatever. This second guy came along, and he honked and gave me a thumbs up, so I was like, okay. I don't know how to take this because literally, I don't know what he's honking at. Like, is he being creepy or is he honking because I'm like using a reusable grocery bag? Like, I have no idea. But you know what? All that matters right now is that I'm still alive and that I've not been kidnapped. So, we're all good. I was in the store for like probably 30 minutes. It shouldn't have taken that long. And for like 20 of those minutes, I was literally looking for freeze-dried strawberries. I was looking literally everywhere. I even looked it up on my phone, like in what section it was on like the website, if that makes sense, and then, you know, hopefully that would translate to the store. I could not find them to save my life, sadly. I think they're probably just don't sell them, or maybe they're out of stock or something. It's okay, I just really don't think they have them. Oh god, I just got stuck in the door. Oh, thank Jesus for AC. Oh my god. Oh. Okay guys, so we're back at home now. Thanks for coming on that long journey with me. Right now I'm on FaceTime with Kate, so say hi.
Hi, I'm also editing a video.
I just got back from the store, so I'll show you guys what I got. This is just my wallet. Okay. So I tried to get most of the same ingredients that Abby got in her video. We have this coconut milk by Simple Truth, this tea powder stuff, or I don't know what this is, wild strawberry morning boost stuff, but what I couldn't find was freeze-dried strawberries, so I just got these frozen ones. I know it's not the same. I wish, you know, I tried really hard to look for them, but it just couldn't happen. I'm sorry, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go get all of the materials I need to make this. Maybe I should turn the lights on. I don't know why those were off the entire time. Yeah, let's just see what she does. Okay, the first thing she does is she takes this little powder stuff and she makes it and pours it into the cup about like a third of the way. So, let's see. How do you make this? Why are they so specific about this? My camera just fell, but we're back. I'm just gonna... Oh my god. I'm just going to use this huge thing to mix up the tea stuff in. Oh shoot. I just spilled some, it's okay. Surprisingly enough about this, you don't have to blend anything, which I thought you would have to. Let me get one of these packets and pour it in. Ready? Yay. Okay, now we shake, except I don't know if this is gonna spill. Let me just do a quick test. Okay, no, it won't. Abby did say that this isn't like the exact tea or like, you know, liquid substance, I guess, that Starbucks uses because it's like, you know, secret or whatever, which makes sense, so, but this is just the one that she used. Okay, now that we have this, she poured this about a third of the way into her cup, so that's what I'm going to do. And a little more. She poured it like that. I want to taste this. It's kind of bitter, I think. I don't know. Kind of weird, but it's fine. Let's see what else she does. Okay, then she takes her coconut milk and pours it about another third of the way. It was kind of like halfway to a third of the way, because she was just eyeballing it. So that's what we're doing here too. That looks like about how much she poured it. I don't know. Actually, hang on. I'm indecisive. I'm going to pour a little more of this to even it out. Okay, so we have this now, and then, let's see. I'm good. Okay, and then she just takes her strawberries, puts it in there, and then shakes it up in her shaker thing, which I'm just using like a water bottle. Okay, we have our strawberries. We're just gonna put some in there. I'll put 3, 4, we'll put 5. Okay, we've got 5 strawberries. Now I'm gonna pour it back in this thing and shake it up. that was not a Shake It Up reference. Put this on. And I know that Starbucks baristas shake it 10 times because I've seen a video or something. So we're going to do that same thing. Okay, we're going to pour this back in the cup now. And boom. This is what it looks like. I don't have any metal straws with me, or just any straws at all with me, which kind of ruins it, but it's okay. Okay, so this is where she stopped doing hers, so let's take a sip. That's pretty good, actually. It doesn't taste the exact same as Starbucks because it's like a different recipe, but honestly this is probably a lot more healthier. I would honestly make this again because it's super easy to make. An extra step I'm going to add is just adding ice, because Starbucks, you already know that all of their drinks, like literally 2/3 of it is just ice. And there we go. But this is how it turned out. Definitely gonna drink the rest of it. So she was saying in the video that this does look similar to the actual Starbucks drink, and that is true, I would say. I think it does look very similar. This is kind of weird lighting. Like the Starbucks drink I feel like is a little bit more refreshing, like kind of more watery maybe? I don't know, but it definitely has a different taste. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this adventure, and yeah, like pink drink. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then my brain just died for a second. And then next to it, turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified when I upload. Next, just scroll down a little bit further, just a little, and comment a future video idea you guys want me to do so I can film it, edit it, and upload it for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.